What are these two little holes right down here, right at the end of my fingers?
Infraorbital foramen.
Infraorbital foramen, and just looking at the location, they are below the orbit, and there's the infraorbital foramina. What are these two holes right down here? Mental foramina. This is your mental region, remember? So those are mental foramina. Okay? So that's pretty much the skull. Okay. If I lay 3 bones out on the table, and I ask you to tell me, which is this, and which is this. So, remember the difference? Okay, Susan, what's this one and why?
That's your atlas, or it's a cervical. It's a cervical spine. It's long.
Okay. What's this called?
The biped.
Bifid process on the spine. This is the spinous process. It is bifurcated or bifid. Now, what about these holes on either side? Transverse foramina. So that is a cervical vertebrae. I might have a piece of tape on it. Ask you what's the name of this, and what are the names of the holes on either side? What's the name of the hole in the middle? Intervertebral foramen. What's this? Okay. Why'd you say thoracic?
Its body is larger
Then the cervical. Okay.
but smaller than the what is it? Lumbar.
Lumbar. Okay. Anything else?
The
spine
it
process.
doesn't have a transverse foramen.
Does not have the transverse foramina. John, what did you say?
The spinous process is angled down.
Okay. If you hold it like this, I think I said it looks like a giraffe. So its nose is pointed downward. That's a
Does look like a
thoracic. It also has facets, demifacets, or what? What articulates right here? Ribs. Your ribs articulate right here. So that's thoracic. How many do you have?
12.
Nope, 12. You have 12 thoracic, how many cervical? 6. No, 7. You got 6 stuck there. 7. 7 cervical, 12 thoracic. How many of these guys? Okay, you've got 5 lumbar. Why is this a lumbar? Because it's fat, what else?
The spinal process doesn't.
Okay, the spinous process does not point down. It's thicker, heavier. So that would be questions, all right? Well, all right, which one is this?
Yes. Alice.
Okay, this is the atlas. It does not have a real obvious spinous process. I can't find the axis in here, but I will have it on the test, and I'll see if I can find it. The axis has that extension that goes up, that rotates around. So that's the atlas, and then you have the axis. All right. extension called?
Odontoid or dens?
Odontoid or DENS? Extension process. Either name, okay? All right. How's Coxsackie? Okay, it's laying out, what is this, a right or a left? Can you figure out from just looking
It's the left.
why?
Because of the pubis.
Because of the pubis, okay. And you can see the pubis is a little higher, extends out. So here's your what? Ischial tuberosity or ischium. Pubis, what is the large hole? Okay, it is a foramen obturator. What is this? There's the iliac crest. What is this?
Ilium.
All right. What is this indentation? Sciatic notch. Sciatic notch. What's that little extension? Oops. I just heard you guys say it. Okay. Ischial spine. What is this indentation? Acetabulum. What articulates into this indentation? Okay, head of the femur. So I might have a question like that. What's articulating in here? What articulates back here? Not the coxal. The whole, yeah, the sacrum. This is where the sacrum articulates. Which is here. And if I have that laying out, I might ask you, is this one bone or more? Okay, how many?
9.
For this portion, how many? Just from here up.
5.
There's 5, and how many here? 3. There's, actually, yeah, 4 on this one. So what is this extension? There's the coccyx. So yes, there is a distinction here. You've got the sacrum and the coccyx. Okay. Now the femur. Okay, so if I show this bone and I say, is this a right or a left?
Right.
Okay. Why?
Because the line and the groove, yeah, goes to the back.
Okay. The line and the groove. She's looking at the line here, the groove here. They go posterior. So if you turn it around, which direction does the head go?